What is included in commercial building cleaning? Before Purple Rhino arrives on site to clean your building, our office-based team will provide you with all the necessary documentation so you're covered legally before any cleaning work begins. Public and employee liability insurance, risk assessments and method statements, health and safety training, training matrix for all employees, which shows all training is up to date. We obtain any permits which may be required to carry out the works. Our fully kitted work vans carry all the latest equipment, which includes the following: software systems equipment, DOF steam cleaning equipment, gutter vacuuming equipment, wastewater collection system when required, hot water pressure washer, cold water pressure washer, scaffold tower, ladders, pretty much anything we might possibly need on site.